On macOS, Safari browser is the default browser. However, if you are looking for a alternate browser for your macOS, then you can install Firefox browser. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can install and use Firefox browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. To download the Firefox browser, open Safari browser, visit firefox.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here we have download Firefox for macOS. Simply click on download button to download the installer file. If you get do you want to allow downloads, then click on allow. Here you can see it is downloading. Let me complete the download process. Once the download has been completed, simply open this file. Here you will get installer window. Drag Firefox browser to applications folder to install it. Once it gets installed, you can simply close this window and you can delete this installer package file. Now to open it, click on apps option. Here you will get Firefox browser. Click on it. Click on open and you are ready to use it. Now to make Firefox the default browser, click on menu icon. Here click on settings. Click on general and here we find the option to make Firefox the default browser. Click on make default and click on use Firefox. And after that, you are ready to use Firefox browser as a default browser. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.